Hi, my name is Esther, and this is my investment journey at eToro. I chose eToro for my investment because it's a global community and you can trade not only in US stocks, but worldwide. My investment strategy is dividend stocks. My portfolio is dividend oriented with monthly payouts and is 100% diversified among 11 sectors. The hardest part of my investment journey has been in 2022 when the market went down. But thankfully, due to the diversification, my portfolio outperformed the major indexes. The key milestone was when I saw my followers increase over 1,000 and I saw them following my journey, my portfolio, my performance, and that really encouraged me to continue. My most valuable lesson that I learned my first year is diversification. I think a good portfolio that's diversified can always outperform when the market is bear and you have a good, confident, solid results. I adapted changes in the market by reducing risk, listening to the news, and following global trends. Last year, commodities went really good. We had very positive increases. And my portfolio has around 12% of commodities, so they gave it a very good push. Copy me if you're looking for monthly dividend payouts, consistent diversification, and low risk.